Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I'm going to be giving you project overview of Satwa Sumera by Satwa Group. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office. And here is the construction site to my right. In this video, we are going to be talking about the following point, including project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch offers, discounts, and many more. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing, unlike other current listing platform where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 2.25 acres with 2 towers, ground plus 63 floors within configuration of 2-3 BHK and Chodi option available. Talking about connectivity, this project is right next to L&T Crescent Bay. As you can see, I'm standing here. The right side takes me directly to the main road. The Parel railway station from here is at a distance of just 10 minutes, Dadar at a distance of just 14 minutes, Eastern Freeway at a distance of just 10 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 kilometer. Talking about amenities, this project has 35 plus world-class amenities including with half Olympic-sized swimming pool, podcast room, gym, multi-purpose hall. It also has library area, kids play area, indoor game zone and many more. Talking about carpet area, we have 2 configuration from 2 BHK ranging from 800 to 850 square feet and 3 BHK ranging from 1100 to 1500 square feet. Talking about the booking process, our EOI window is now open. Clients are invited to come and visit the site where a sales manager will help you with the actual project details. We'll also let you know about the payment and EMI schemes. We'll also show you the sample flat. And if the client likes the project, we can move ahead with EOI. And the EOI amount for all the configuration is just 1 lakh rupees. So this was the project overview of Satwa Sumera by Satwa Group. To get more information about this project, do check the comment section. And to know more about such properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.